somebody ordered a sheet cake that needs to have a John Deere tractor on it, and also possibly a cow or a horse. We'll see how the tractor goes and go from there. So they wanted a marble cake, and one of the girls at the baker here baked the cake for me, and I just have the task of decorating it today. So let's see what it looks like so far. So here it is so far, and I'm going to use this and trace around here, and you'll see what I'm doing in just a minute. Alright, so I have traced around my paper, and I laid it down on the cake, and I'm going to smooth it out, smooth it around, and then I'm going to pull it off like that. And you see that I have a little indent, so that now I know I have lines that show me where to go for my tractor. So that shouldn't be too difficult now. Maybe I'm crazy, but I'm going to attempt to do this cow and calf. Let me show you here. Tinting the icing and all of that just takes forever.